I'm gonna be hitting steel tier on Nether games. It's 20 more credits away, so let's go hop into the video. Let's start off with some better solos. Okay, we're in. We've got Undue Maple. He's level 70 and he's somewhere already hit steel tier. Infos, Christian, I don't know who you are, but you seem, you know what, Christian13, whatever, actually. Deadly Bite Z, you're decent, but you quit. So, anyways, let's start. What is I am sweaty? I don't know who that is, but I don't care. And guys, do you like my new texture pack? It's Zion V2 or Zion 16. I don't know. But yeah. Honest, if I didn't make that parkour jump, I'm bad. This bed. Stop running, no. Stop bad Undue Maple. You're due. Just this one. Stop running. You're actually decent. Undue Maple, you actually might be hacking. You know, let Undue Maple come for a bed. But first, let's get iron armor. One more gold ingot. Okay, finally. Let's get blocks as well. Ignore why I didn't get a fireball. Yeah. What? Undue Maple, you're hacking. How did he just shifted blocks so quick? Undue Maple, I think you're hacking. Come on. Okay, let's quickly get our iron sword. And then let's go try and get our Undue Maple due to death. What the heck? What? He's not taking damage. You just wait. This is perfect. I can bypass them efficiently, get red sped, and then die. And then yeah. This is perfect. Christian, come on. Okay, we've got Christian. Let's drop all that garbage there. Oops. What? Christian, you're hacking. Christian is hacking. Let's also get a shotgun swords. Wait, come on. Christian, you're hacking. You two-shotted me. Okay, almost two-shot. And the garbage truck's here. How convenient. Just perfect. Yeah, the garbage truck from my town is here. Okay. Oh, Christian. Yes. Bye-bye, Christian. Ooh, you're rich. Christian, you are rich. This Christian guy IDK who you are, but you're rich. Can't forget the diamonds. Well, you are actually pretty decent at the game, Christian. Not Tristan. Kenner, you are very good, Tristan, but yeah. Nope, I don't want this. No, oh gosh. Well, I guess that's how you get another sword for free. Okay, I need a fireball. I need a fireball. TNT. You know what? Golden apples instead of TNT. Fireball. Yes. Well, at least I got his bed, which is quite good, to be honest. Why did I get that iron again? Whoa, six. This is overpowered. If I don't... Phew. I didn't die there. If that block wasn't there, I would die. Okay, wait, aren't these new? But thought I saw something move. No, I didn't. Yeah, that's definitely new. What is that bridge? Kristen, you're mean. You're mean. Why did you break my bed? Ooh. At least I got enchantments. Yeah, better not die. What? He's hacking. I had prop 3. Christian 1, 2, 3. I won you. You're hacking. I know you are. Wait, how many credits did I get from that? 12 only. I need 8 more credits before the video is over. Oh. But you're hacking. Spirit BW. Stop it. I just want to see the contragraph. I can't believe it. Thank you actually very much. Thank you very much, but I'm sorry, but you didn't like that, did you? Oh, I see. Yeah, okay, I don't know how much. Yeah, maybe I should have let the main chat. I already care, bro. I'm just gonna... Spirit BW seems like a nice guy in real life, but this ain't real life. Wait. If I had an iron sword. There's even a stone one. Yep. No. That was so annoying. Spirit guy. Spirit BW is so mean. You know what I need? It's a bow and arrow. Come here, Spirit BW. What? Yes! I don't know what happened, but he just died. I don't know. He just died. Yeah, actually I know what happened. He just died. Yeah. Maybe just got blue. Broke his back. Let's get a few gaps. I don't know why, but I am. Sorry about that. I just block trapped you. I didn't say why. Wait, there he is. Come on. Yes, I got him. 8 diamonds, cheer up. Let's see. Cheer up, 521. How many? 29 credits? I got 29 credits? Well, that's weird. I got steel tier. Let's go. That'll be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.